Hi Coffee Watsons! I'm Elena and I am here today to show you guys the new range of products from Warda's Insta Perfect series. So with your new products, I actually achieved this look, the daytime look and the nighttime look. So if you want to watch, stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Let's go! I'm putting it quite a bit because I'm only using powder foundation today. I need my face to be extra smooth so the powder doesn't look cakey on my skin. Look at my face. Do you see the difference? This part is already much smoother than the other side where you can see my pores. So I'm just gonna massage it in. So imagine like your face, like lots of holes, right? And the primer fills it up. That's what it does. It's gonna look a little light at first, but it will oxidize. The coverage is pretty good. I'm gonna go in with color Luxe here on my crease. After this base, I'm gonna go in with a matte shade. The shade is called Terra. I'm just gonna focus all over my lid. Once that's done, blend the two in together. This brush, there's like the very fluffy side and there's the flat side. So because I want to focus on this area which is a little more flat, I am going to use the flat side. So I'm going to take this shade called Pulse. Yeah. So with the flat brush, it's really it's easier to like press on the product on flat surfaces. And I'm going to try to bring it up a little more. Actually, I'm just going to go in with my fingers for the Terra color again so it shows up even more. Yeah. I'm just going to bring the Terra a little higher. I'm gonna make this look a bit more defined by using the tape that I got in the palette. And I'm gonna put it at the end of my eye. Define the line. There you go. Do you see what it did? We're gonna go in with more of that Luxe shade. I'm really trying to go in and blend the two together because shimmer and matte, if you do it well, they'll look good. So this comes with two ends. The first end is the liner itself, very sharp. And then the other end is this like rubbery tip where you can blend it over to give your eyes a very smoky look, which I really like. So what I'm doing now at the end is I'm taking Terra again and then putting the product at the end and dragging it in to create like a effect. Very angular type of eyebrow pencil. It's not the usual crayon type. So this one, when you apply on your skin, it doesn't really show that much. But with your brows, with all the hairs, it'll actually like show more. Honestly, really amazed by this. It's so good! You don't have to put a lot of pressure on it and the color comes out pretty nicely. Put a little bit, not too much because we want the attention to be on the eye and on the lid later. Blend it out. Just add a bit of color, you know? So with the Luxe color earlier, I'm just gonna use the same. I'm gonna be mixing these three shimmer colors. Boom, boom, boom. And smack it on. Starting with the haze shade, we're just gonna take some of that and put it on our crease. I'm just gonna use my hands. I'm going to go for a more sweet look. And then adding some shimmer. So I'm using Gleam shade. And so I'm sort of dragging it to my inner corners to give me that highlight. A little bit of gold. And then blending it out with the rubber side. At the bottom of my eyelid, I'm going to be taking this Fear shade. I'm just going to use my hands, warm it up a little bit, and add it to my lid. Okay everyone, so this is my finished look from the whole new Wardah Insta Perfect range. My eyes were all achieved from their Spotlight Chromatic Eye Palette. Let me know which one you guys prefer. Comment down below which one you guys like. And if you guys do try out any of the 2 looks that I did, please upload a photo and share with us so we can all see how beautiful you look. So thank you for watching. Bye. Look at the color. It also comes in with a sponge.